guys, good evening. All right, so I think we should address the icons issue right on Bootstrap quickly so that some of you can continue with what you're doing. Right, so the icons, right, is actually a part of Bootstrap that is in progress. So sometimes what you want, you have to define what exactly you want, right, as your icon, so that you can have it. You, the next question would be how do you call it in? We have a number of these icons here that you want to look up, right? You have it. They are all here. A lot of icons here. You want to look up which one you want to use in your space and fits what it is you want to use, right? So, for instance, the first thing you would do is to get the CDN of icons to your framework, to your HTML framework. So, how to get that is type directly, like I've typed here. Let me start again so that you see. You type Bootstrap icons, um, CDN. Okay, that's what I suggested. You enter that, right? Enter the Bootstrap icons direct, so you can get the CDN for that. So you go down, right? Go down, 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 and scroll up again to look for the CDN. So immediately after the last icon, you have the CDN. You get the CDN for the icons. So you go back to your lab and fix it in the head. I've already fixed one here. So there's no need for that again. So you just fix it, drop it here. You have icon CDN, you have it here. So after that, you have your link to the CSS, right? Because it's the same thing, right? You can style, you can just like use HTML and CSS. That's how Bootstrap is. You can do the same principle. You use HTML, use CSS here too. And the same thing applies to your calling of image to your space. You want to call a particular image, you can use the same thing here, right? So to have an image here, right? Let's change this image for instance and call another. Right. So we go here and look for any image that we want to have in after the sign up, right? What image would you want to have there? So you can search what image would you want to have there. So let's search for star. Right. So we have the star half. We have the star field. So let's get this right, and then go back to your source code. You can do things like you have another div. Okay, so there's a div there already, making your payment seamless. Let's change this to let's change this to um, rate your experience. Rate your experience, right? So you rate your experience, and down there you have this icon, right? Go down again, five to five places. Sorry, one, two, three. So four, five, right? So let's see how it looks there. Um, we can make this half. The last one half. It will give you a half star. So we view it to see. So you have this here. Rate your experience or rate your experience on this app, right? So we have it here already. One, two, three, four, five. So you see that you can call any image or call any icon to this space wherever you want to. Just place it strategically. You have the function common, right? And this is quite uh, this responsive. very responsive, right? So when it hits the strategic breakpoints, the MD, the um, the small, and the rest of all the extra large, all those, if it gets to the point, it breaks because it's quite very responsive. So you have this here, right? And you can start making use of it. So that's how you can call an icon to this page. So if it is an image you want to copy, it's the same principle that applies in your HTML works here, right? And the images you are looking for, if they are not here, please can search directly and call it forth. So that's it. Um, if that doesn't address the question in your mind, please you can still drop me a message. I'll still go again to hit up what it is that you see.